Hi there, I have Ambren 18 watt quick charger with me, model name AQC56. Price quoted on the box is rupees 999, but it is getting sold for around rupees 300 on Flipkart. It says manufactured in India, but not sure if it is just assembled in India by Ambren. As in specifications here, it supports 9 volts at 2 amperes as well. Hence I bought it for my LG G8X. Quickly unboxing here. Box and seal are not neat. Inside the box, micro USB cable is bundled, which is of no use for LG G8X. This is the closer look at Ambren charging brick. It is Qualcomm Quick Charge 3 certified as in this logo. Power specifications are here. Build quality is not great compared to MI chargers. I have plugged in the charger and blue colored LED glows once you power on. Charging my LG G8X from 15% as you see here. It says fast charging and estimate is provided. I am just showing you that fast charging speeds are same as that of MI fast charger. Estimates are same as you notice here. I am using AccuBattery app to check charging speeds, especially charging current. Charging current will be on higher side when you do not use the phone screen when charging. So it is advisable to keep the phone aside when charging. After some time, phone seemed to be charging about 2 amperes as you see. This is because I did not use the phone when charging. The moment you turn on the screen for a while, charging current suddenly drops as you notice here, which impacts charging time. It is around 45 minutes since I kept the phone for charging. On checking the temperature of the Ambren charger, it is found on higher side and went as high as 50 degrees Celsius, which is not the case with MI dual port charger. It is not hitting the phone. Temperatures around the phone seem to be normal. To make this video duration short, I am not going to show you hourly status of charging percentage. Rather, we will take a look at charging history from AccuBattery app. From these stats on screenshots, it is evident that charging rate of LG G8X is around 40% per hour with Ambren quick charger. Phone charges at 12 to 13 watts only till 80%, but after 80% it is further slow. These fast charging limitations are not specific to Ambren charger, but holds good irrespective of whichever fast chargers you use with LG G8X. Also, another point to note that fast charging can be done when using dual screen adapter as well. Ensure to use adapter in right direction, otherwise it will do usual charging. The main reason I bought this charger was that LG customer service people are suggesting us to buy this specific model as in WhatsApp message here due to unavailability of LG chargers in India. But when I inquired over the call, it is learnt that we are allowed to use any branded chargers and doing so will not void the warranty of LG G8X. Here is the extract from the call recording.
Good afternoon. This is Magna calling from LG. You have LG mobile phone.
Yes, correct.
What is the problem in mobile phone, sir?
I wanted to know which charger to use actually for LG G8X.
Okay, if you have already any branded charger,
Mhm.
18 volts,
Mhm.
then charge, or you can buy from Flipkart Ambren charger, sir.
Will it void warranty if I use MI charger, for example? Use any charger?
It will not be void, sir.
Okay, so somebody from your LG told that if I do not use Ambren charger, warranty will be void with all the chargers. Is it so?
No, sir. Warranty will not be void.
Okay, so why you people are suggesting Ambren charger? Any specific reason?
LG is suggesting, sir.
Okay, just a suggestion, but I can use any charger. Yeah, 18 watt charger. That's all right.
Yes, sir.
Okay, thanks for the call.
Okay, welcome, sir. Thanks for giving me time. Have a nice day.
Finally, here is my opinion. Please do not waste money on fast chargers for LG G8X, as fast charging will not give you noticeable difference irrespective of whichever fast charger brands you use with LG G8X. If you do not have any chargers at home, or if you still need a fast charger on tight budget, you can definitely try this Ambren fast charger, but at the cost of overheating inconveniences and build quality, even though it is ignorable to many of us. Anyways, I have added link to this Ambren AQC56 charger in video description for your reference. I keep updating video description on other 18 watt chargers as and when I get to see better deals. That's all I had it. Thanks for your time in watching this video. Please support me by subscribing to my channel if you have not already done. Please hit like button if you have found this video useful. I am planning to come up with another LG G8X video which talks about all the problems of LG G8X, and hence request you to let me know in comment section about the problems you have noticed in your LG G8X unit so that I can include most of it to make a comprehensive video on LG G8X problems. Bye for now.